Hey guys, so today slash tonight, because it's like almost 11 o'clock tonight, I'm going to actually be doing an unboxing video, and I've actually never done an unboxing video before, so I'm really excited. But I have a kind of giant box here. Did not think it was going to be this big of a box, but here we are. So I ordered from the Clean Skin Club, and I had actually never heard of them. I heard about them through Instagram. I saw this brand, and I'm going to be just straight up honest. I clicked on their stuff because their packaging was super cute. So that's what like drew me to them initially. Ooh, I have a foot cramp. It's gone. I looked at their stuff, and their stuff is super natural. It's got great ingredients. I like to have my beauty products as clean as possible, and if I can find something that works really well that has natural ingredients, I'm happy with that. Gonna go ahead and get started. Here's my giant box. Ooh, almost dropped my box cutter. Thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, because I personally love them. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. Here's my stuff. You can already kind of see the packaging a little bit. It's adorable. Okay, so first off, here's the box. How adorable is that? That's so cute. Like, I can't. Oh gosh. Okay, so I opened the box and I got a Valentine's Day set, and there is little flower petal droppings all over the place already. So that's so cute. So it's decorated for Valentine's Day. This is a Valentine's Day set. I don't know if they're sold out of the sets yet, but definitely go and check, because you can get the products for a whole lot cheaper getting a set. And you can do, the cool thing about their website is you can combine things anyway, to like bundle things together, and you save money that way. Oh, that's cute. It's got like little rose petals in here. So it's got a little card in here, and you can make a personalized message for the Valentine's Day set. I just made a card to myself. They asked what I wanted it to say, and I just put Happy Valentine's Day. So Happy Valentine's Day to me. Here is the inside. Now I'm just going to reach in and grab a product. This is so cute. I hope you can see how cute this packaging is. That's so cute. You get a lot of product. Like, you get a good amount. You get like 5 ounces, and that's for, this is a moisturizer. So they have 3 skincare products in this same packaging, and they have a cleanser, a scrub, and a moisturizer. This is the Açaí cucumber cleanser, and I'll have pictures on my Instagram of all of these, especially because they're really cute packaging. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. It smells, there's something distinct that like I can smell in here. Aloe, lemongrass. That's it. It's got lemongrass in it. Certified organic, so that's awesome. They're vegan, organic, all that good stuff. So that's the cleanser. I'm also going to be doing a first impressions as well. So I'm about to use all of these after I show you guys all the stuff that I got. They also have a coconut oil aloe vera gentle facial scrub. I know some people are weird about using coconut oil on their skin. I don't think coconut oil has ever upset my skin. We're going to find out. So, you know what your skin likes and doesn't like, so just, stick with what you know ingredient wise, and if you don't like coconut oil for your skin, then don't use it. But I'm going to try them because I don't think it bothers my skin. Okay, I can't really smell that one very much. It doesn't have much of a scent, which I don't mind at all because I don't like super heavily fragranted things, and this is also for normal to dry skin. The cleanser says it's for combo to oily skin, so my skin's a little bit drier right now, so I'm thinking this will be better when it gets a little warmer. This moisturizer I am really excited about. It's a Camellia. I actually don't know what Camellia is. It's probably some kind of plant, I'm sure. Jojoba moisturizer. It's got aloe, chamomile. Oh my gosh, it's got arnica in it, y'all. Oh my god. So if you don't know, arnica is like it's like a plant, but basically it's very like healing. So it helps heal like cuts and scrapes and if you have joint problems and like pain in your body. So I really like that that's in here because sometimes when I get breakouts, also I do have some makeup on, we're going to wash it off with these products, but I will say when I get a breakout sometimes it gets really painful, so I'm really excited that there's arnica in here. That's amazing. And it's got algae in it. That's super cool. We're going to try a little bit. Ooh, it's very jelly. And oh wow, a little goes a very long way. Also, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. However, I do have a coupon code because I reached out to them and I'm actually a like ambassador of the brand. Even though you might think, why would you become an ambassador if you haven't even used the products? But super cool thing is they actually have cotton pads and like cotton swabs as well as disposable face towels that are all organic cotton. They're biodegradable and it's really cool. So it's stuff that I would be getting anyway. So even if I don't love the products, I'm probably still gonna buy from the brand because it's just a really cool concept. And they also have a couple of like, not household items, but they have like an infuser water bottle. They have a bamboo tea steeper. So they have like other stuff. So that's why I decided to go ahead and do that. But that's really cool because it gives me a chance to give you guys a coupon code if you're interested in looking into more green beauty products and skincare products. And I'll definitely, like, I'm obviously going to keep you guys updated with how these actually work for me. But if you're into that kind of stuff and you're looking for a more indie brand that's not like super talked about and overhyped, then you can definitely look into that. But I will leave that coupon code in the bottom as well as the link to the website if you guys want to check them out. I just wanted to put that out there just in case you're interested in it. You can get 20% off with the code. Oh wow, that's a giant pack. Okay, this is wow, this is a really big pack of makeup wipes. This is crazy. These are the coconut oil wipes, I think. I don't think these are the coconut oil wipes, actually. These are, just say clean wipes. They have the clean wipes and then they have the coconut oil wipes. For some reason I thought this was just a bigger pack of those, but I'm kind of excited to try this because it's two different wipes then. That's pretty sweet. Ooh, it has a texture side and a smooth side. That's cool. Hypoallergenic, pH balance. I really enjoy that. They don't really have much of a scent. I'm going to use these to take my makeup off in a little while, so I'm really excited to use that. But dude, you get 30 like giant wipes. That's crazy. The last skincare product, I realized I actually got like all of their skincare products except for the coconut oil wipes because I thought they were the same thing. But yeah, that's the only product that I did not get because it's a pretty small brand right now, so that's the ones that they currently have. It's just like a pretty simple skincare routine, which sometimes is like all you need. So I got the Peppermint Toning Mist. I am really excited about this because I love mist and stuff, and it's still got the little girl on the side. It's got bilberry, orange extract, cranberry fruit, aloe, glycerin. Ooh, there's a lot of good stuff in here too. And then last thing I got, like I said, they have an infuser water bottle and a bamboo tea steeper. So I went ahead and got the water bottle. But here's a picture of it on the side. I'm so excited about this. It's 32 ounces, BPA free, all that good stuff. And oh, a really cool thing about the website is you can click your skin type and they'll tell you like different tips for that skin type as well as like the diet that would be good to follow for that skin type as well as what products you can use. So I thought that was really cool and really informative if you're like, dude, I don't know what to do. My skin is like super dry or it's like super oily or stuff like that. It can give you little tips and stuff on there. So I thought that was really cool as well. Here is the water bottle. I'm really excited about that. You can take this infuser. That's what you do. You hook it into this and then you drop it down into your water. So that's pretty neat. Alright guys, so that's all the products I got. We'll move on to the bathroom, and then I'm going to show you how everything works. And then after that, we're going to come back here so I can chat with you guys about my first impressions of everything. So let's move on to the bathroom. So I'm going to start by taking my makeup off. I will say I don't have much makeup on today because I wasn't feeling well and I didn't feel like putting a whole bunch of makeup on my face. So I only have foundation, powder foundation, and then I put some eyebrows on. So I'm going to start off with the clean wipes. And just to compare, we're going to do a little comparison. This is a regular pack of makeup wipes. This is the Clean Skin Club ones. So you can see, like, that's crazy. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a giant freaking wipe. It says to use the textured side and then the smooth side for a second pass. So even the textured side is not like rough at all. It's just got like a little pattern on it. So they don't really have a scent. They're not burning my skin, which is great. They're not burning my eyes, which is really, really hard for me to find. Like, I can really like take off anything that's around my eyes and it's not burning at all. So that's super hard for me to find. I've only found like 2 or 3 wipes that have actually never burned my skin. So you can see it obviously works. So yeah, did not have any problem taking my makeup off with that. So far, really like the wipes. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with the Açaí Cucumber Cleanser. Once again, this packaging is, I cannot get over it. Ooh, it's kind of thick. That's kind of nice. So here is what the cleanser looks like. It smells really yummy. I think there's mint or something in here. It definitely feels a little minty. My skin still feels kind of tingly. It's not even like a tingling because I don't like tingling on my skin. But it's kind of just like a cooling kind of feeling. It definitely just feels like cool. Like, that's the only way I can explain it. It's not burning and it doesn't feel irritating, but it does, I do feel something on my skin. There is peppermint in here. That is why. My skin still feels nice. It feels clean. I don't feel like there's any makeup left on it. This is the, I'm going to go ahead and use all the products just so I can give you a good first impression. This is the Coconut Oil Aloe Gentle Face Scrub. Feels really gentle, so that's nice. There's what it looks like. So already I can see that my skin is a little red from the scrub, which is pretty normal for me. My skin gets red over like just drying my skin, so that's not the product, that's literally just my skin. So my skin feels really nice though. I haven't used a scrub, like I haven't used an exfoliator in years, so I probably needed a good scrub on my skin. So it feels really nice. Like I said, there's some redness over here, but I swear it's just my skin. It's not anything about the actual product. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try this peppermint mist, which I'm a little nervous about now because of the peppermint in the cleanser, but we will see how it goes. That is actually less cooling than the face wash, surprisingly. This is nice. This is not too cooling either. Like, it's just a nice mist. It's not super cooling at all, which is fine by me. So it's very nice. Alright, and let's go ahead and try the moisturizer. This is the Camellia Jojoba moisturizer. This literally takes such a small amount and I feel like I already got too much. I normally have a whole nighttime skin routine, but I am just using these products for the sake of the video as well. Dude, it literally takes such a little amount. It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my hands because that's a lot of moisturizer. Alright guys, so I'm going to let the moisturizer soak into my skin a little bit, and then I will come back with my final first impression thoughts. Alright guys, so I've let my moisturizer and everything soak in. This is my skin completely without makeup. The light is very forgiving in here right now. I really like this moisturizer. It's nice. Like, it soaks in, but it still leaves your skin feeling like really hydrated. Final first thoughts. Gonna quickly go over everything super quick. This is obviously not my final thoughts because I just used them, but just using them one time, here is what I'm thinking. So the wipes are really nice. They don't burn my skin, they get my makeup off, and they don't leave my skin feeling sticky or dry. They just leave them, like, they leave my skin just feeling clean, and I really like them. Alright. I have mixed thoughts about this. I'm obviously going to have to use it some more, but the Açaí Cucumber Cleanser. The only thing is I feel like it's a little, not misleading, but I guess it's a little, like, I guess it's a little misleading because it's Açaí Cucumber is the name, but all I can smell is lemongrass and peppermint. And when you put it on your face, me personally anyway, all I could feel was like the peppermint. And it was like really cooling, which it was kind of to the point of being too cooling just because I don't really like a lot of like stuff going on my face. So one of my only complaints about this is that I wish it had a little bit less peppermint, and it was like the acai and the cucumber was a little bit higher, so you could actually smell the like key ingredients in this. I'm going to use it some more. However, the coconut oil aloe scrub was very nice. So it's a creamy scrub with very fine, I don't exactly know what it is. It's apricot seed powder. So instead of using like the big chunks, they use the powder. So you get like a much more fine kind of scrub, which it was really nice for my skin. I like that it didn't really have much of a scent. It just like felt really nice on my skin. It left my skin feeling very smooth, and like I said, I had not exfoliated my skin in a very long time, so I think I really needed that, and I'm really excited to use this more. And then the Peppermint Toning Mist. This was a really nice mist. You can't really feel the peppermint much. It does still have like a cooling effect, but not a ton. Not to where it's like peppermint all over your face, which I really like actually. So this is a very nice little mist and doesn't leave my face feeling sticky. It like absorbs in. And then lastly, the Camellia Jojoba Moisturizer. This was really nice. This is gonna last me so long because you get 5 ounces, which is crazy, and you need such a small amount. I could have used like a quarter of what I actually put on my face, but it's really nice. It's super soothing. None of this irritated my skin, I will say. Even the peppermint in the cleanser, it was cooling, but it wasn't irritating. It doesn't feel greasy on my skin, but I can still feel it on my skin, which is nice for me because my skin gets really dry in the winter time, so I like to be able to make sure that moisture is going to last in my skin. So I do not mind that at all. Alright guys, so that's it for my final first impressions of the Clean Skin Club. Be sure to check out the down bar for the coupon code. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on how these continue to work for my skin. And thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Thumbs up if you like these first impression kind of videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!